Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Friday, 17th July 2020 and let's begin today's English lesson. Today we are going to reinforce correct spellings and I will introduce you to the topic of pronouns. Today we will learn about pronouns, what are the pronouns and how can we identify the pronouns. First of all, let's reinforce correct spellings. As all of you know that कि हम वीकली डिक्टेशन टेस्ट भी कंडक्ट करते रहे हैं और उसमें भी करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स को हमने रीइंफोर्स किया है ऑलवेज. सो ऑन टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 25 वी हैव टू चूज़ द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स. वी आर गिवन अ पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स और हमने उस पेयर में से जो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग है उस सेंटेंस के कॉन्टेक्स्ट से रिलेटेड हमने कॉन्टेक्चुअल क्लू से करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स को चूज़ करना है. Alright, so listen to the sentences very carefully. I'm going to read these sentences aloud and you have to underline the correct word from the pair given. Alright, you can use any highlighter. If you're not having highlighter, you can use any of the coloring pencils. So you have to mark out the correct spellings. The sentence A is given. The vest is more expensive than socks. You see, vest. One vest spells V-E-S-T and another is W-E-S-T. W-E-S-T, west, means direction, you know, north, east, south, west. These are the cardinal directions. And V-E-S-T means the undergarment that you wear under your clothes. So the vest is more expensive than socks. Socks, you know, आप सब socks पहनते हैं. So यहाँ पे obviously vest नहीं होगा, W-E-S-T. Why? Because it is related to direction. यहाँ पे जो undergarment है V-E-S-T, west. That's the correct option. So let's highlight this. Then the man said that this dress would suit him. Suit, shoot. So which is the correct one? Yes, S-U-I-T, suit. Yes, because the man is saying about the dress and कि ये dress उसको suit करता है. See, we have there is a fly sitting on his pack or back. You see, pack, there is a slash between pack and back. Pack and back दोनों के दरमियान में slash है, so you have to choose the correct spelling. So pack, his pack. So his refers to some person. So it means that यहाँ पे B-A-C back आएगा क्योंकि किसी person की बैक पे फ्लाई जो है वो बैठी हुई है. D we have he sold some chips or ships. There is a slash between chips or ships to the captain. Alright, captain sold some chips or ships to the captain. So sold means to sell something. So obviously chips नहीं होगा, captain है. Captain के लिए हमारे पास suitable word ships है, right? On E we have we brought them from the city yesterday. We brought them from the city yesterday. City. So city, it is something related to city कि हम उन्हें city से लेके आए, right? So brought is a kind of, you can say, a stew or stock जो हम खाते हैं, like यखनी, कोई सालन, some curry. So that is brought. So obviously यहाँ पे कुछ food नहीं होगा. Brought is the past form of bring, right? Brought. It means to bring something, कोई चीज़ लेके आना, to fetch something. So that's how we have marked correct spellings within these sentences. Alright, so now let's move to the topic of pronouns. Alright, so for this one I would like you to open up your book page number 30. So before that, let me tell you something about pronoun, that what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which replaces a noun. And what is a noun? Yes, a noun is a naming word. Noun is the name of a place, person, thing or animal. So the word which replaces a noun is called pronoun. वो word जिसको हम noun की जगह पे, noun की replacement पे use करते हैं, that word is called pronoun. ऑलराइट. सो नाउन की रिप्लेसमेंट में जो वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है उसको प्रोनाउन कहा जाता है. प्रोनाउंस आर वर्ड्स विच रिप्लेस अ नाउन. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words which replace a noun. This is a part of speech. Before this, we have discussed verb, we have discussed noun, we have discussed adjectives, and today we are learning about pronouns. So this is the fourth part of speech जिसको आज हम discuss कर रहे हैं English grammar में. Pronouns. So pronouns are the words which replace a noun. For example, let's take a look at the examples. I, we, you. I, we, you, she, he, they, their, me, us, your, her, his, them, mine. These are the examples of pronouns. So pronoun are the words which replace a noun. So let me show you this flashcard. I hope that it will help you to learn about pronouns efficiently. So for this one, here what we're going to do, that we are going to match the words with the pronouns. In this column, you are offered with some of the words, and this one column is of pronouns. इस column में हमारे पास pronouns हैं we, she, it, they, he, you, and यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ वर्ड्स हैं. सो लेट्स सी कि इसमें से कौन सा वर्ड सूटेबल है उस प्रोनाउन के लिए. ऑलराइट. सो रिदा. रिदा इज़ द नेम ऑफ द गर्ल. सो ऑब्वियसली रिदा इज़ अ नाउन. सो रिदा के लिए हमारे पास सूटेबल प्रोनाउन क्या होगा? ऑलराइट. शी. शी इज़ द सूटेबल प्रोनाउन फॉर रिदा. यू एंड आई. यू एंड आई. यू एंड आई मीन्स वी. Hum. The boys. The boys, it means more than one boy. So it's a plural कि वहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा person है. The boys. The suitable pronoun for the boys is they. This boy means one boy. So for boy, for masculine gender we use he. Boys के लिए we use he, and for the girls we use she. You and Asad. You. So you and Asad, the suitable pronoun for you and Asad is you, because in English हम you अगर आपके पास one person है or more than one person, whether it is singular or plural, हम उसके लिए you ही use करते हैं. Right? So you and Asad means it refers to the pronoun you. Alright? So that's how we have matched these words, these names, these nouns to the suitable pronouns. We, she, it, they, he, you. Alright. So now let's come to the textbook. Alright, textbook page number 30. Learning about language. So today we are learning about pronouns. So first of all, write down the date, Friday 17th July 2020, and then pronouns. Please highlight the word pronoun. A pronoun is a word which stands for a noun. A pronoun is a word which stands for a noun. It means कि pronoun एक ऐसा word है जो किसी noun की जगह पर इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. A pronoun is used at the place of a noun. Let's read the example. He ate blackberries. He is the pronoun. Please highlight he. He is a pronoun. It stands for the noun Dick. So किसी भी noun की replacement पे जो वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. अगर आप देखें इसको, प्रोनाउन. सो अगर इसमें से प्रो को आप यहाँ पे देखें नहीं है तो ये क्या वर्ड है? नाउन. सो इट मीन्स ये इट विल हेल्प यू टू रिमेंबर दैट pronoun is something which is related to noun, and pronoun is used at the place of a noun. Pick out all the pronouns in the sentences given below. Here you have to pick out all of the pronouns in the sentences. So let's read and highlight the pronouns. A. I'm a horse and my name is Black Beauty. I. I is a pronoun. My. My is also a pronoun. B. This is the farmer. He is called Mr. Jones. So farmer is the noun, farmer is the name, and he is used इंस्टेड ऑफ फार्मर. कि नाउन की जगह पे जो वर्ड स्टैंड कर रहा है वो क्या है? ही. सो ही इज़ आवर प्रोनाउन. He gives us carrots and hay. He. Us. Carrots and hay. We have a lot of horses in our field. We. Our. I like watching them gallop. I. Them. Gallop is the jump of the horse. It means to jump up quickly, speedily, run speedily, very fastly. So these are the pronouns: I, my, he, us, we, our, I, them. So these are the pronouns in the sentences, and we have marked all of the pronouns in the sentences. Alright, so pronouns are the words which replace a noun: I, we, you, she, he, they, their, me, us, your, her, his, them, and mine. These are the examples of pronoun. Alright, so now it's time to look at the diary. Complete A2 workbook page number 15 as homework. You have to complete workbook page number 15 A2 as homework. Let me show you. Alright, this is your workbook and this is the page number 15. Alright, so here you have to underline. It's A2 workbook page number 15 A2. This one part is your homework. Alright, so what you're gonna do here, that you have to underline all the pronouns. You can use highlighter here in A, B, C, D, E, and you will highlight all of the pronouns. These are the examples. You know that pronoun is a word we use in place of a noun. So please highlight this example. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. Now read these sentences, note the pronouns. Sohail is a boy. Sohail is a noun and he is the pronoun. We are going to replace Sohail by using a pronoun he. Sohail is a boy, so that's why we are using pronoun he, right? He is 6 years old. His brother is 10 years old. He is a pronoun and his is also a pronoun. So he and his, a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which we use in place of a noun. Alright, so this is all about your homework. Thank you very much for watching the video. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.